In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up budget in Xero. By the end, you'll have a brand new budget created in Xero's Budget Manager with the right dates and period length, ready for you to populate and track. Start on your Xero dashboard and open the reporting menu in the main navigation. This takes you to the core reporting area where budgets are managed. From there, click All Reports to see the full library of available reports and tools. In the list, find and open Budget Manager. This is where you create, name, and manage your budgets, and it provides the grid you'll use for planning revenue and expenses. At the top of Budget Manager, open the drop-down menu. This menu lets you switch between existing budgets or create a new one. Choose the option to add a new budget. You'll be prompted to enter a name. Use something clear and consistent so you can recognize it at a glance later. For example, operating budget, FY 2026, or marketing Q3 plan. A good name helps you avoid confusion if you build multiple scenarios. Click Save to create the budget shell. Next, set your time frame so the grid lines up with the period you want to plan. Select the start year that matches when your budget should begin. It's important this aligns with your organization's financial year settings, so double check the year UBIC reflects the period you intend to plan for. Now choose the period length. You can select 12 months for a full fiscal year, 6 months for a half-year plan, or 3 months for a rolling quarter. If you want a complete annual view, 12 months is ideal. If you're doing a mid-year reforecast or a short-term plan, 6 or 3 months can keep things focused and easier to update. Click Update to apply these settings. The budget grid will refresh to reflect your start year and chosen period length. This structure ensures that when you begin entering figures, everything falls within the correct months and totals accurately. Once you've confirmed the setup looks right, click Save Again to store the configuration. A few quick tips as you get started. Keep your naming conventions consistent across budgets, so comparisons are easy. If you plan to model different scenarios, create separate budgets using the same start year and period for apples-to-apples analysis, and always confirm the start year aligns with your organization's financial settings before you enter numbers, so you don't have to redo work. That's it. You've set up a budget in Xero and locked in the time period you need. You're now ready to add your figures and start using the budget manager to track performance against plan.